Hello, everyone. Welcome to the English Schoolcast. I'm Emily, your English teacher.
And I'm Jay, your student. I'm ready to learn.
That's great, Jay. And you, listener, are you ready to learn English with us today? Today, our topic is shopping and prices, compras y precios. We will learn greetings, numbers, days of the week, objects, food and drinks, and daily activities.
Wow, that sounds fun.
Yes, we'll go slowly and repeat everything many times. Remember, listener, speak with us. Let's start with greetings. When we go shopping, we always start with a greeting. Repeat after me. Hello.
Hello.
Hi.
Hi.
Good morning.
Good morning.
Good afternoon.
Good afternoon.
Good evening.
Good evening.
Great. Now let's ask, how are you? Repeat, how are you?
How are you?
We can answer, I'm fine, thank you.
I'm fine, thank you.
And you?
And you?
Perfect. Now let's do a short conversation. Hello, Jay. How are you?
I'm fine, thank you. And you?
I'm great.
That's easy.
Yes, very easy. Now, listener, repeat our conversation. Numbers are very important when shopping. Let's count from 1 to 10. Repeat after me. 1,
1,
2,
2,
3,
3,
4,
4,
5,
5,
6,
6,
7,
7,
8,
8,
9,
9,
10.
10.
Good job. Now, let's use numbers to talk about prices. How much is this shirt?
It's $5.
How much is this hat?
It's $8.
Very nice. Now, listener, repeat. How much is it?
How much is it?
It's $10.
It's $10.
Excellent. Let's learn the days of the week. Ready, Jay?
Ready.
Repeat after me. Monday,
Monday,
Tuesday,
Tuesday,
Wednesday,
Wednesday,
Thursday,
Thursday,
Friday,
Friday,
Saturday,
Saturday,
Sunday.
Sunday.
Great. Now, Jay, when do you go shopping?
I go shopping on Saturday.
Good. Now, listener, repeat. I go shopping on Saturday.
I go shopping on Saturday.
Nice. Saturday is a perfect shopping day. Now, let's learn some objects we can buy in a store. Repeat after me. Bag,
Bag,
shirt,
shirt,
shoes,
shoes,
hat,
hat,
watch.
watch.
Good. Now, let's make short sentences. This is a bag.
This is a bag.
That is a hat.
That is a hat.
I like shoes.
I like shoes.
Good job. Now, Jay, what do you want to buy?
I want to buy a shirt and a watch.
Perfect. Now you, listener, repeat. I want to buy a shirt and a watch. Now, let's go to the supermarket. Let's learn food and drinks. Repeat after me. Bread,
Bread,
water,
water,
milk,
milk,
juice,
juice,
coffee,
coffee,
apple,
apple,
Banana.
Banana.
Good. Now let's make short sentences. I want bread.
I want bread.
I want water.
I want water.
Jay, what do you want to buy?
I want coffee and bananas.
Great choice. Now, listener, repeat, I want coffee and bananas. Now, let's talk about daily activities, things we do every day. Repeat after me. Wake up.
Wake up.
Take a shower.
Take a shower.
Have breakfast.
Have breakfast.
Go to work.
Go to work.
Go shopping.
Go shopping.
Have dinner.
Have dinner.
Sleep.
Sleep.
Perfect. Now, Jay, tell me, what do you do on Saturday?
I wake up, have breakfast, and go shopping.
Good answer. Now, listener, repeat. I wake up, have breakfast, and go shopping. Now let's put everything together. We're in a clothing store. I'm the shop assistant, and you, Jay, are the customer.
Okay, let's go.
Hello. How are you today?
I'm fine, thank you. How much is this shirt?
It's $10.
And how much are the shoes?
They're $20.
I'll take the shirt, please.
Great. Here you go.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
That was fun.
Yes. Now let's help our listeners practice. Repeat after us. How much is this shirt?
It's $10.
How much are the shoes?
They're $20.
I'll take it, please.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Great job, everyone. Let's review what we learned today.
Yes, let's do a quick review.
We started with greetings. Hello, hi, how are you?
Then we learn numbers 1 to 10.
After that, we learned days of the week, Monday to Sunday.
We also learned objects, bag, shoes, hat, shirt.
And food and drinks, bread, water, coffee, juice.
Then we practiced daily activities. Wake up, go shopping, sleep.
Finally, we did a shopping conversation.
Yes. How much is it? It's $10.
Perfect. Now, listener, remember to practice every day. Listen again, repeat, and speak out loud.
Step by step, your English will improve.
That's right. Thank you for listening to the English Schoolcast.
See you next time.
Bye-bye.
Bye.